Got the YZ85 out. Probably has 2.5 hours on it since the rebuild. I'd say I'm just checking the coolant here. Looks right up there. Hasn't lost any or gained any at least. That's
yeah, right.
We don't want to gain coolant.
Yeah,
that's bad.
definitely.
If you get it more than
you only like to gain in your bottom end.
So yeah, the 85. The only freaking problem I have with these 85s is you have to run it wide open to have any power. So if you like this thing screaming demon, like how could anybody track race this bike? Scully, you're behind the camera. How could you track race this?
You would have to be downshifting literally every second. Your foot would be sore.
Wide open.
Your foot would be sore.
Your power band doesn't kick in until 3/4 throttle, so you have to shift down. You know, come into a corner.
Especially with a 6-speed too.
I think it's only 5.
No, it's definitely 6.
Really, 6-speed?
Pretty sure all 85s are 6.
Anyways, guys, let us know in the comments if 85s are 6-speed. I'm gonna test it out anyways.
Well, yeah, we'll test it out, but yeah.
Not too much gas in her. I did some, good gentle braking, and then a buddy that owns it got on her, and he definitely broke her in a little more aggressively.
He did the heavy braking, is what you call it.
Yeah. The clutch is still a little fucky. I got some good oil. I'll probably change the oil in 5 hours, something like that.
As you can see, she's got some Cali squat to the rear shock on her.
Look at this.
Suspension's pretty freaking clapped.
See if she starts, how she starts.
1 tick?
It hasn't been started in probably a week, 2 weeks.
Yep. Gotta get a walker on this.
Walk a little bit. I'm running Sportline synthetic true cycle oil, 32 to 1. Liquid cooled bikes. You don't want to, if it's an air cooled, you can hop on her and blip it a little bit. But these liquids, let that coolant heat up, let it circulate. Let the head temp get up before you get on her. And the pipe too, once the pipe gets hot, it'll act better. They might be boggy as all hell if you don't let the pipe heat up. As I just flip it wide open like I said I should.
It was about a minute ago, though.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Gold Series header with the Pro Circuit.
Yes.
RC1 or R304.
The 85 has snap.
Yeah, once you get in the power, the thing is getting in the power. Once you get in the power, it's got power. Neutral! Nice!
One or 2 times before. Man, she sounds good. But yeah, this is kind of got like, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours on it. It's... Man. Yeah, those 85s, they can rev out pretty high. It's not going to hurt them. Really small piston, I think small bore, small stroke. You could turn a lot of RPMs pretty safely that way. Pretty sure it's only a 5-speed. I don't know. I couldn't really count. I didn't really count my gears when I rode it. I'll ask Scully when he comes back what he thought. Pretty sure it's 5-speed. You guys can see fresh rebuild. New water pump seals. This is the bike that had that exhaust plugged up pretty bad. You guys saw it on a previous video. Mint. She's a ripper, dude. She's a ripper. See how it kind of lagged there and then you hit the power band and just burp, burp. How many gears? A 5-speed? I thought it was 5 too.
I wasn't counting. I forgot to count.
It's got some power. The power band's wicked on the little 85.
It'll lift the front end for sure.
I mean, if you're not careful, dude, the wrong rider, it'll throw you in your ass.
1 through 4, it'll lift the front for sure.
Oh yeah, nice bike though. She's running real good.
Oh yeah.
Runs tip-top shape. So yeah, we wanted to get a video. If the suspension, if the suspension, the back wasn't so soft, you'd be able to pull the front end up easier too.
Oh yeah. Front brakes need some.
Or fluid.
Definitely need a new front rim. That thing is
just wobbling. But it is a, it's an old bike. It's been sitting for so long, dude. Just to have it running, the guy was really happy. So that is the 85. Finally got a riding clip of it for you guys, and yeah. So make sure you leave a like on the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you guys want to see anything with these machines in here, the Mojave, we'll have a video on the Mojave. The clutch is kind of fucky right now, and we have a cable.
Should we tell them what we ordered for it?
What'd you order? A clutch cable? Tires. No more drag slicks, guys. We got some tires coming for the Mojave, and hopefully the clutch is not junk. We're going to have to take the cover off otherwise and do a clutch job. But that's going to be it for the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Comment down below any ideas for videos and stuff like that. We'll see you in the next video.